Hi, this is Linda with Crafty Music Maker. A week and a half ago, my school choir and my Boys and Girls Club recorder students performed at two separate concerts, and they each got a party the next week, and I wanted to give them a special treat for all their hard work. So I made them these chocolate dipped Oreos with special decorations on top, and today I'd like to show you how I did that. These are the supplies you'll need to make these dipped Oreo cookies. You'll need melting chocolate. I love to go to this little candy store in Henderson, a candy supply store. Jan owns it. It's called Tempting Treasures. And I find that her melting chocolate tastes the best. It's fresh. It doesn't taste like wax. And so I get that whenever I go back to Las Vegas. And of course, you're going to need a warmer to melt that chocolate and to dip it in. And Oreo cookies, of course. I choose to get the double stuff just so that there's more of the inside to put the stick in. And then I love to just add these decorations to them. We've got little small wreaths here, and then bigger wreaths right there, and then Christmas trees. And then over here, I have the sticks that I insert into the Oreo, and then I have the bags to cover them so that I can give them out individually. So I'm going to be making this today for my choir students. They performed last Thursday, and we're going to have a party on Tuesday, and I just like to give them a homemade treat. First, I'm going to take the Oreo apart, and then I'm going to insert this stick. If it's too much, sometimes I kind of push the middle section out. So it's in there. And to be sure that it's going to stay back on there, I'm just going to drizzle a little more of that chocolate there. And then just push it together. And then I'm going to let that dry. So I just pull them apart. Take a stick. Insert it there. Put a little bit of melted chocolate on top as it were glue. And then I'll just put that right there. And let it dry. I just take it apart. Take a stick. Push it through to about halfway. Add some melted chocolate on top for the glue. And then I just put this on there. Press it gently down. And then let it dry. Now that the chocolate is set, it's time to dip the Oreo cookies. Just dip it in, turn it over, and then just let that chocolate dip off. And set it down and put a fun decoration. You can also use sprinkles if you have them. Dip them in and let it drip off. Just knocking off some of the excess. And lay it down with a decoration. Oops. That one's hanging from the mantle. And here's the next one. Letting it drip off. Just tapping it to help it off. Place a decoration on it. And there we go. And let those dry and then package them up. Now that the chocolate's all set around the cookie, then you just put it in a little baggie. And I buy these specifically for this. And then I just tie a little ribbon around it just to finalize it. This makes a great little treat, kind of like a small little gift, and to be enjoyed. Of course, you can do this any time of year. Whatever your decoration is and the color of your ribbon makes it great for any occasion. And over here, I have a plate of them, and I think they look pretty cute. And I think they're pretty tasty, as I have some experience in sampling them, of course. I hope you are able to make these and you can enjoy them, give them out, and have a Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so you can be sure to see my upcoming videos. Until next time, Merry Christmas.